Hello. For today and tomorrow, we are going to be figuring out what credible evidence is and finding examples of credible evidence. So you want to avoid bias and fallacies. Remember, everything we are working on is going to help you find good supporting evidence for your research and ultimately for your essay that you will be writing in the next summative. So what you need to do is open this Pear Deck presentation slide, and you are going to click on this link. Here's the code. Just in case this is not working, you can go to Pear Deck this way, but the link should work. You are going to answer the questions at the bottom of each slide. Your answer is automatically recorded, giving your school Google account. So please make sure you are always in your school account when you are working. Once you click on this, you'll see the presentation. You can tell us how you're feeling today. Here is the presentation. You're working at your own pace. It's due in 2 days. You click on, you write your answer right here. So the question is here. Research a statistic you find. Type it and use the example and then explain why. So this is the analysis piece. Why is it a statistic? Here's an example of a quote, and here is the analysis. So you need an example of a quote and you need an analysis. You need part one and part two. And usually the why is found, just like we did in bias, where I give you 5 criteria. You were supposed to talk about one of those as the why. This is the why. Is it data, polls, surveys, scientific studies? Those are statistics. So you find a quote and you explain this is a statistic because it's a scientific study. So you're going to do that for each of them. This is a fact because it can be verified by experts in multiple sources. So you're going to do that for each type of effective evidence. These are things you're going to find that are effective and helpful when you are writing your paper and doing your research. When you are finished, you don't have to submit, it automatically records. Please make sure you write in a formal style. No I, me, or yous unless it's in the quote. No contractions, spell out small numbers, and write in complete sentences for full credit. This is a reading and writing grade.